Shalom, so far so good. Here's an update. What have I been up to? Yes, I no longer live on Shofar Mountain temporarily. I'm going to be going back to school in the fall for electrical engineering. And I came back to Wisconsin, where I previously lived, to try to get my old job back and save up as much money as I could. Because, you know, school is going to be expensive. And I wanted to show you what I've been working on and give you guys a tip. Drywall's heavy. This is only like a 1/4 inch. I don't know the exact size. But I wanted to show you a way you could do it yourself without obviously having any help or having one of those expensive, probably $300 drywall lifters. This worked out pretty well. Before, I had trouble doing this piece, and you can see my air by myself, and that's really small compared to the 4x8 sheets. So what I did is you start out by nailing up a board pretty close to where you're going to end it at, just below the surface, or the ceiling, with enough room to get it up there pretty easily. Nail 2 of those up. And then, before you put the sheet up there, you get two studs, 2 pieces of 2x4, 8 feet long, and you prop it up on that side. I put these screws here in the beginning to make sure the board doesn't slide that way and drop out from underneath of it. And then, once you got that up there, it's pretty easy. You just pull the bottom out here, and then you can adjust the height as needed. Do that on both sides. Push the board up close to the edge, wherever you're putting it. In this case, the house is so uneven. Some of the studs are 16 inches on center like they're supposed to. Some of them were 17, and one of them was even 18.5 inches. So this house is all crooked. So I had to sand down this edge so it would fit pretty well, pretty good. And now I'm gonna start screwing it in and cut this one to right under the stud, the ceiling joists. I'll be good to go. So far so good.